Hey everybody, it's Audrey from the Power Apps team, and I'm excited to tell you that I'm heading out to Silicon Valley next month. So I'll be there February 19th and 20th for the second Power Platform World Tour event. Now, I hope you're one of the people that attended the first one because Tampa was off the hook. There was so much excitement and so much synergy at that event. And if you follow Twitter, just look for hashtag Power Platform WT for World Tour, and you will see all of the awesome pictures and experience that people shared there. I'm going to share a few of those photos here today, but I want to point out as I show these photos from Tampa that this is exactly what you can expect at every single Power Platform event. You will find motivational speakers, and these speakers, they are experts at matching the features and the products to your business challenges so that when you go home, you'll be doubly efficient at what you're already doing. And you will bring home new things that you can do to solve your business challenges. In addition to the motivational speakers, you're going to get a chance to bond with others, to create a networking scenario. I love this picture so much. And the reason is because you can see that these are women in technology who are power users and they're just excited. You can see that on the smiles on their faces that they're happy to be together with their other power user friends from Power BI, from Power Apps, and from Flow, all wrapped into the dynamic communities. So we are so excited to see how people just kind of bond together in these type of events and find like-minded people with which they make new friends. There's also plenty of time to have fun. Always remember that these events are not just session after session. They actually include a meal, have a drink, meet some new people, enjoy talking to the people that you already know, but just simply have some fun. So this is one of my favorite parts of traveling with these tours is that you're always going to find these moments of gems with the people that matter the most. You're going to be able to have plenty of time to share your stories and to hear other people's stories between sessions and during meals during the days of the event. And so when I learn about all the variety of industries and challenges worldwide that the businesses are addressing with Power Apps, Flow, and Power BI, I'm always blown away. And we love an opportunity as power users to share our lessons learned and maybe save somebody some time because we've got the perfect feature for that or the perfect tip for how to handle the challenge that someone might share with us during a simple box lunch. I also love the chance to talk to the experts. I mean, we will have a wealth of experts there. So not only Microsoft employees from the product engineering teams, but we'll also have Microsoft partners there, gold and silver partners, as well as MVPs that will be there to help you as experts in these technologies. You'll be able to ask them questions directly and get their answer that same day directly from the platform so that you can bring that answer back home with you for others that are waiting for it. Take a minute if you can to document some of these precious moments while you're there in order to be able to share that knowledge when you get back. Maybe record a little mini interview with someone or spin up a podcast. Find a way to share your wins because we want to celebrate with you. Now, my sessions are going to be very interesting this time. I'm taking a brand new approach for the Power Platform event. I usually focus entirely on Power Apps and kind of help people master formulas and galleries and forms. This time, I'll do a little bit of that, but I'm going to also focus on sharing how you can partner up these tools to create even more optimized solutions. In my introduction session, I'm going to talk about how we have been working to improve the portal and web authoring experience so that you can build apps faster and so that you can find what you're looking for more quickly. We've also been working on these enhancements in order to help you build for wider audience experiences. We'll help you with adoption and guide you in helping those in your business to discover all your hard work in the apps that you publish. In the Power Users session, we're going to talk about building a Power Platform solution that uses all three products. So we're not just going to build an app. We're going to build an app that has a flow. And we're going to connect the data that we collect in this app to Power BI. And then we're going to have a full suite solution, what I call a full circle solution, which includes an application, automation, and analytics. So I want to take this special approach because I believe that the best way to get the most out of the Power Platform is to bring them together. Silicon Valley is only one of the 5 remaining World Tour locations for this year. After Silicon Valley, we'll have April. In April, we'll have Washington, D.C. and Chicago as opportunities. Coming up in August, we can head out to London, England. And finally, the early fall, we'll be going out to Copenhagen. So looking forward to all of these exciting events, and I hope you can definitely make them all. Selfishly, I'm hoping to see you, particularly next month in Silicon Valley, where I'll get to possibly have coffee with you or tea, and we'll get to chat on what we've been doing with these fabulous products. I look forward to seeing you there and hope that you'll share this video with others so that they might be able to hop on that plane or that train or that car ride with you and head out there to meet me.